An easy Forex trading strategy for finding trades. We're going to take a look. Let's find a trade. The series that gives you money-making trade ideas that work. In this video, we're going to look at the live charts for potential setups. We're using a simple strategy from our textbook, My Trendline Breakout Strategy, how you can make money trading Forex. The strategy has shown itself to be successful in a live trading account. We believe anyone can learn to apply this strategy and make money from home. Here's a disclaimer, it's required by law. Please subscribe and share as you see value. And remember, we enter all trades with risk. Let's get to it. Hey traders, welcome to another in the series of Let's Find the Trade, which, I was looking for a trade today and I think I found one. Notice, shall we talk about it? This could be described, if you connect all these bottoms like that, as a falling wedge. But I seem to think that this bottom here is like that. It's more of a flat bottom, right? And what you can see happening is prices come all this way down. It just seems to be wedging itself in here. Couple of things will happen. Okay. We could get, there's only one, two things really. A break at the bottom, pullback, and a continuation down. If that happens, we're gonna use this distance here to target that distance down there. Typically, that distance will be equal to the breakout. If, on the other hand, we get a trend line breakup, there we go. That's a whole another scenario. The market's going up. It will have changed directions. And what some traders do is they look for equal highs, see, as their target. I mean, it can go way up, but as traders, what we got to have is a specific strategy that we can acknowledge that provides us with a specific result. I don't care if it goes all the way up here, okay? If my target is here, I'm happy when I've got into the trade, I've stayed in there for 3 to 5 days, and then I've got out at my specific target. The market can continue up, it can continue down, but once it's hit my target, that's it. The trade is done for me. That's very important. Not being greedy, just taking what I know the market is willing to give. Short video today, guys. Let's find a trade. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, and so on and so forth. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks again, and bye-bye.